doing today? I hope you're all in good condition. Well, nice to see you again. And my name is Nurhidayat. I'm from the class of English Department of State Islamic University of Madura. And now I would like to review about the fifth material of qualitative research. And actually, in the meeting, I learned about data collection technique in qualitative research, particularly about observation. So, in the meeting, I was taught only about observation. We know that observation is one of the crucial technique in qualitative research to capture, to understand the participants' behavior, interactions, and also about culture context. Then about why observation matters in qualitative research. There are three reasons why observation is important in the research. The first reason is rich context. By observation, the researcher will absolutely get rich data or rich data from the participant, and to understand their behavior. And then the second reason is depth understanding. So from the rich data that researcher got from the participant, so it will easily make the researcher understand about their activity, the interaction, or their behavior or cultures, and so on. And the third reason is contextualizing data. So in the observation, the researcher can contextualize data by using another method such as interview or survey. And then about the types of observation. So there are two types of observation. Number one is participant observation. In this kinds of observation, the researcher participate directly in their activity, in their culture, in their daily life to get more data from them. And then the second type of observation is non-participant observation. In this kind of observation, the researcher usually make a distance from the participant. They don't directly observe them, but they make a long distance from the far, or that then they observe their activity. And then about the challenges and ethical consideration in the qualitative research, especially about observation. Number one is observer effect. Usually, with the arrival of researcher, the participant usually or keep the real data. I think the researcher don't give the real data, the real explanation to the researcher. And then the second one is researcher bias. In the observation, researcher can use or can put their own bias in the study that influence the results of the study. And then the fourth one is about ethical consideration, especially about privacy. So the researcher have to keep the privacy of the participants. And the second one is consent, about informed consent. In this situation means that the researcher have to make sure that the participants understand the purpose of the study. Okay, I think that's all about the summary, about the review of the fifth meeting of qualitative research. Okay, thank you. And I want to say sorry if there are any words. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.